We're a manufacturer. That's what we're known for. We do plastic injection molding, specifically for the dental industry for professional use. Our mission is actually quite simple, but we really strive to help dental teams be safe, happy, and efficient.
I was a dental assistant for 18 years prior to coming to Zirc. This actually came full circle for me because I used Zirc products for many years in my career, and many of which I wouldn't operate without.
I would describe the culture here at Zirc similar to that of like a community. You'll kind of see how each department sort of moves from one to the other. Very similar to that of like a neighborhood. We kind of look out for each other, help each other out when we can.
They enjoy working with their colleagues. I think that that's one of the things that we hear first and foremost in surveys that we do with our team members is that they love the people that they work with, and that's so important. That engagement, one on that professional level and challenging each other, but then also getting to know each other at that personal level as well.
We care for one another and in a genuine way, not just because we have to, because they're our coworker. You can really feel that through the ins and outs of life that each of us deal with.
Even if you're a new person, you don't really feel like you're odd man out or anything like that. We always try to do inclusive things, which are like, hey, you want to come to lunch with me today? Stuff like that. Like, even if you're a new person, you don't ever have to feel like, oh, that person's unapproachable.
For new people coming into Zirc, some of the first things that they say about Zirc is how friendly we are, how easy we are to collaborate with each other, no matter what role we share here at Zirc. So if you're in a top management or if you're a production or assembly personnel, we all collaborate together. We all help each other out.
The first 90 days are always the most crucial for any new hire, but that continuous learning and development goes well beyond those 90 days. We're always wanting our employees to ask, what if? Finding solutions, having fresh sets of eyes on things is crucial for us to be able to continue to grow and develop our products and services. And so we never want anybody to feel like an outsider, even though they're brand new to Zirc. It's how can we make them feel welcome? We're always asking that question, whether it be a department lunch, whether it be just getting to know one another, having one-on-one connections, having training on our product that goes above and beyond what they would ever have expected when starting at a new job. So it's a priority to have them feel like they're part of the team from day one, but I never ever want that feeling to go away.